Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today we will discuss about cron job. So what are cron job and what is the use? Okay, if you want to schedule any job or if you want to schedule any task, you can do it using cron. So what is like why we are using cron? 24 by 7 you are not in front of every server, okay, or any system to run a command. So if you want to specifically run a command like a backup or something, you can put it in a cron. System itself execute those commands on a specific time. You will specify the time, date, time, everything, and system itself execute those commands. Okay, so there's a use of cron tab. So cron tab is a command. For every user there is a different cron. Okay, so not all the users are having the same cron. They are hitting to different cron file. So if I will do cron tab and -l for list, there's no cron job for this user. Okay, I will edit it. Okay, and the end of the line, let me append. Okay, first let me give you one demo how it will work. So I'm not doing anything fancy. Okay, just printing a hi on wall. Save it. Let's wait for 1 minute. Every 1 minute we will getting one hi message. Okay, we got our first message on Sunday, November 07/17/01. Next message again it will get print Sunday, November 6/07/18/01. It should print like that. Let's wait for a second message. Okay, I'm not doing anything to system. It itself executing that wall command what we have entered in a crontab file. Okay, see we got a second after 1 minute. So I am doing Control C like I'm. Let's see the screen. Let me clear the screen. So cron tab -l list. Okay, we are having this thing. So I have given 5 stars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a message or a command which is cron is reading. So crontab -l I already did. First let me remove this. Okay, now if we do crontab -l, there is no job. Okay, so if you want to see any cron job, cron -l, see the file. If you want to edit it, E. If you want to remove it, R. Okay, so that's what we did. Crontab -l, listed, edit it, remove it. Okay, so let me become a root user. Okay, let's edit it here. Crontab -l. Again, I will give 5 star. I will tell you what are the star means. Wall. This time I am printing hello from a normal user, and I will switch to sudo su-root. Okay, crontab we already set for that user, but if I do crontab -l as a root user, it's not there because every user is pointing to different crontab file. Okay, there's not a single file, there are multiple files is creating, like every user will have their own separate crontab file, so it is easy to find out which user is running what type of job using a cron. Okay, here again we'll do edit. Okay, giving me choice of browser. Okay, let me go at the end of the line. Then I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wall. Okay, now we are having cronjob -l. Okay, as a normal user I was running cron high, and as a root user I am running cron wall Amit. Okay, if you do crontab -l you will able to see, but as a root user if I want to see like who else are running this cron job, so for seeing the cron job of other users we will do that. See, it broadcast came. So let me remove this in cron tab -r. So R for remove. See, nothing. But we have set cron tab for vagrant user also. crontab-l, okay, u as in username and hyphen list. See, this is we have set it for the vagrant user, and if I ask for Amit user, there's no cron job. So that's how we use cron. Okay, crontab-l for list, U for user, other user you can see, R for remove, E for edit, and this all the data is going in a different cron tab files, so it will not get conflict. Now I have entered 5 stars in that thing. In a file we are doing 5 stars thing, like 1 2 3 4 5. What are these 5? You are able to see above this M H DOM DO MON DOW and command. That's the syntax. So first star shows the minute, okay, then R, day of the month of the year, day of the week, and then command. Okay, now let me give you brief knowledge of this. So I'll show you one website which is very popular to find the cron, right cron. Okay, so this is the crontab group website which we use. So it is having 1 2 3 4 5 stars. So what is showing minute, hour, day of the month and day of the week. Okay, how we are setting in our file 5 star we are giving cat slash okay, I will open a file vi Amit. Okay, let me edit. So we are putting 1 2 3 4 5. So first start denotes it because we are giving the time and a specific time that command should run. So first start denotes to minutes, that range start 0 to 59. Okay, second star is for hour. Hour means 0 to 23 is a 24 hours format. Okay, minute, hour, day of the month 1 to 31 means it's a date, day of the month is the first day, second day. Month of the year, like month you can decide, so month range is 1 to 12, and day of the week like 0 to 6, or you can say this is also 1 to 7. Okay, so 0 and 7 always a Sunday. 0 and 7 is counted as Sunday. Okay, 0 Sunday, 1 Monday, 2 Tuesday, 3 Wednesday, 4 Friday, Thursday, 5 Fridays, and 6 Saturday, and 7 Sunday. Okay, like this it will work. So in this range I have to provide a detail to a cron tab, and here we will put our command, like whatever command. So this is how all the entry we can make. But if we are putting asterisk, that means all 0 to 59 every minute, okay, every hour, every day, every month, every day of the week. This command should run. That's why we are putting asterisk. So in next coming video, we will say how to schedule a job on a specific time. Okay, this in this I am just covering cron tab hyphen L for listing, E for editing, R for remove, E for editing, R for remove, or if you want to see for other user, username and hyphen whatever command you L or E or R you want to execute. That's the thing. And yes, that's all. And see you in the next video where we'll discuss about more about the cron job, what's a file, and how to use that thing. See you in the next video.